Everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're going to actually be finishing up getting the dirt that I stockpiled yesterday, getting it out of here in some tubs. It's raining off and on today, so I probably won't be dumping it, but I'm going to get it outside on the porch, ready to load up in the truck. And then if I still have some more steam, then I'll start kind of working on my HVAC a little bit and get my head wrapped around that. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Helps us get to 500 subscribers. Here we go. Enjoy the clip. All right, that was 34 buckets worth. And I'm about to do this small pile. I'm gonna get this pile over here, medium to small, and that one's extra small over there. So I'm hoping I can get this done in 14 or less buckets. So, and this will be it for the dirt for now. I have a little bit more, but this will be it for now. So here we go. We'll finish up with the last 14 or less buckets. Enjoy the clip. All right, everybody, that's about gonna do it for today's video. That was another 14. That was another 14 buckets. So for a total of 48 buckets for the day. 48. As you can see, I have sweated through my shirt and jeans, and the dirt and dust has coagulated on me. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Until next time, Bigfoot.